Hi, and welcome to this demo where we're going to take a look at how to work with ACLs using the gsutil command line utility. So let's start off with taking a look at what ACLs are currently set for our example bucket. Right? We do that using gsutil, ACL, get, followed by the bucket URI, gcs-course-demo. And there you can see we get back a JSON document including a bunch of ACLs. And now these happen to be the predefined default ACLs for a bucket, right? So what we have here is the role of owner given to the editors of our project in here. Note that we're referring to the project using the project number. And then to the owners of the project likewise. And then we're giving reader permissions to the viewers of the project as well. That way we can use the project level rules of editor, owner, or viewer to give access to a bucket. There exists a collection of predefined ACLs, which are listed here in the documentation. Private, bucket owner read, bucket owner full control, project private, authenticated read, public read write. These are all pretty well defined over here. And these can be used instead of needing to create your own ACLs. And the way that we would set this kind of an ACL is by using the gsutil ACL set command. gsutil ACL set, and then, for example, private, right? That was one of the preset ACLs. And then we're again giving the URI. There we go. And now if you go back and get the ACLs, you will see that currently only the owners have the owner role and no other roles are set. So this is equal to the preset ACL of private. So another way that we can do is change the ACL by adding, for example, permissions for a particular user. We would do this by using gsutil ACL ch for change. In this case, we're using creating a user-specific permission. So we're using -u, and then the user email address, or the identifier, followed by the permission reader. And then as last, the object or bucket that we're giving the permission to. There we go. And now if we get the ACL, you can see that we have the default ACL private and added to that reader usage for a particular user. So now, in the end, let's put everything back. So the default ACL that we used was the project private ACL. So we're going to set that to our bucket. There we go. And now if you take a look at the ACL, we're back at the original state where we had a owner for the project owners and project editors and a reader for the project viewers. That's it.